My name is Jason Ferrier and I do creative work in real estate. And today's video is all about how to improve your house in 3 simple ways for under 50 bucks before you put it on the market. Okay, rule number 1 is declutter. So I'm here in my basement and I can clearly tell you this is not a decluttered area. I got stuff everywhere, right? Boxes. Good thing I'm not selling my house right now, but boxes, and I got a trash can here. I think I got some Christmas stuff. Look at this Christmas stuff, right? Classic basement stuff. You come in here and I got some Legos going on. I got old shoes. I got toy racks, and I got bricks on the ground, right? And so the point is, a buyer is not going to be able to see the corners of my garage or my basement. He's not going to be able to see it. Look at that. Spider webs and grime. Get down and clean everything that a potential buyer could wipe their finger on or rub their finger against and then come up with some dirt. And I mean everything. So one of the other things that I love to use and recommend is this. Spray once, which is awesome, right? Because you just put it in a garden sprayer and you can spray your concrete, your driveway. A lot of times you can spray your house, your roof even, and it just slowly eats away the dirt over time and the grime, and particularly the mold and the mildew, and it does a great job. So I would recommend spray once. Awesome stuff. And it's only like 15 bucks. Hey, is this video helpful at all? If it is, can you hit that like and subscribe button for me? And if you're looking for a great real estate agent who leverages the latest technology trends to sell houses faster and for more money, hit me up. My information's below in the description. I got a bright idea. Let's install some light bulbs. Yeah, I mean, this is like so basic and so inexpensive, but people miss it all the time. Light is good. The more lights, the better. So every single light fixture in your house should have a new LED bulb. They should all be consistent in color. I like the daylight bulbs because they're bright as can be. So a pack of these 24 bulbs is it's under 30 bucks depending on where you go. Well, hey guys, that does it for this video. 3 simple ways to get your house ready for the market under 50 bucks. 1, get rid of the clutter. 2, clean everything, including the outside. And number 3, get some lights in there, light up the place. My name's Jason Ferrier. I'm with Kiger Realty. Have a great day. Look forward to seeing you on the next video.